everybody? Welcome to Super Ninja 1000 Reactions. I'm your host, Superninja20000, and today we'll be reacting to RWBY, Volume 8, Episode 10, Ultimatum. Last time in RWBY, what was it? Jean and crew went and sort of rescued Oscar, while also, Emerald has teamed up with them along with Hazel to join and fight. Well, and they believe Hazel's going to sacrifice himself to buy time for the rest of them to escape, to keep Salem from getting him. And so, let's just see where this goes. So let's begin. 3, 2, 1, and start. There's what? A couple more episodes in this season. Yeah, I'm trying to entirely remember what happened last episode. Yeah, just mainly the fight is the main bit that happened here. They had, Jean and Rin are running out of Aura. Yeah, he's still okay for the moment, but Hazel's freaking going at Salem right now, and it's not going to end well for him. But, and yeah, also the Ace Ops are getting ready to blow up the well. Oh yeah, freaking, who was it? We also got, Atlas Funky. It's like, Atlas Army Funky. I just wish we got to see them actually fight a little bit. Alongside. Created by Montiel.
Sir, we have confirmation that Dr. Watts has escaped military headquarters with the assistance of Cinderfall.
We do have Jacques Schnee in custody.
Don't give a damn about Jacques Schnee. What about the other two?
They're gone.
Sir, Bronwyn and Hill have evaded capture. But we are monitoring every exit. They must still be inside the compound.
We're moving you to another.
That's just gross.
Damn it!
That was not a good headlock, fam. I didn't do anything.
Everywhere for them. Do not return to this office until
Ooh, I like the new robot arm.
Custody. Of course, sir.
What's the status of our...
Well, they blew it up. That wasn't from the bomb, though. What was that from? Was that Jean and crew inside? Golly. What in the world? Was that Oscar that did that? That was Oscar. Screw you, Neo.
Is everyone all right?
No injuries here.
What?
They were still inside.
They're fine.
Target destroyed. Good work. But no time to celebrate. Return to the Academy at once. We've got a new problem.
But
that wasn't us.
Then we can tell him in person. Load it back up. We're leaving.
that was Oscar that did that crap. Is that the power of Ozpin?
Did anyone respond?
No.
Well, she'll come back. In the interim, we need a plan.
Plan? The plan hasn't changed. I'm going to rip the maiden power out of Penny Polendina. Because you're going to bring her to me.
That's like you're kidding me.
You said in your message that you have control over Penny.
I said I had Penny under control, not that I could telekinetically force her to do whatever I want.
There is a big difference there.
What? I implanted a virus in her, you dimwit. She's on a set path now. At least she should be. As much as I hate to admit it, there seems to be some part of her capable of resisting. Regardless, it's only a matter of time before her mechanical body succumbs to the virus. She'll open the vault, then she'll destroy herself, and our little Penny problem will be over.
What do you mean she'll destroy herself?
She'll
How am I
explode.
supposed to take her power if she's dead?
You know, it's impressive that you haven't realized this yet, but I don't work for you. Please, you can't just threaten me like everyone else.
You think you're so clever, don't you, Arthur?
Salem sent you to bring me back.
Salem isn't here right now. But I think we can still come up with a plan while she's pulling herself together. First, I'm gonna watch you plummet to an unremarkable end.
Semi-characterization to
And
get
then I'm
on.
going to burn a path directly to the vault, where I will wait to tear that magical puppet to pieces. And take what is mine.
Well, that's kind of cool, like the way, like, she's stretching so much that it is actually stretching stuff. He's not scared of her.
Oh, of course you are. Because that's just what you do, isn't it? And how has that worked out for you? You stormed into Freya's room thinking you could take on Ironwood's top fighter and war machine. But you couldn't. And that machine became the Winter Maiden. Oh, and let's not forget your deal with Raven Brownwind. Get all your enemies in one place so you'd have a shot at revenge. If only someone could have warned you against such a miserable idea.
Cinder got whooped a lot after frickin' Volume 3.
And you lost it when all you had to do was your job. You think you're entitled to everything just because you suffered, but suffering isn't enough. Can't just be strong, you have to be smart. Can't just be deserving, you have to be worthy. But all you have ever been is a bloody migraine!
I knew she wasn't gonna drop him. At least he told her the truth. Crying Cinder, wasn't expecting that. There's Jean and them.
Blake?
Yang, are you okay? Where are you?
Yeah, we're fine. Is everyone there all right?
We're
Christian,
alive.
did Ozpin do that, or did he just
Guys, they're okay.
What do we do about her?
take her with us?
Hazel?
Hazel exploded
I'm
himself.
sending you a map. You're in the agricultural area. Just head to this access point to reach the Red Line subway tunnel. Then follow the route I've drawn for you.
Got it. We'll see you soon.
You can't be serious. You want us to work with her?
I'm just saying it makes the most sense. We're all enemies of Salem, including her.
No, I'm with Blondie. You don't like me, I don't like you. So how about we just part ways and you never have to see me again?
You're not going anywhere. Not after everything you've done.
We can't let all of our actions stem from fear.
If she could help us, I think we should consider it.
She is part of the reason I have this. I'm not going to just
Part of, but not really. That's more of an Adam thing.
Beacon. She lied to us. Tricked us. She is dangerous.
You don't have to forgive her. You have every reason to feel that way. Just maybe give her a second chance. We've already gotten quite a bit of help today from someone we don't exactly trust right now.
Do you mean Ozpin? I had a feeling.
Wait,
Oz
what?
is back? I know how you feel, but he saved my life. And when we were tortured, he took it. So I wouldn't have to. He trusted me with this.
How do you think I was able to fight Salem?
Stored up in it. Kinetic energy that he spent lifetime after lifetime accumulating in the cane he built.
So, that's how you did that? Using all of the stored up power?
Not all.
Okay.
Most.
Yeah, okay, so he blew it
up.
Be
careful with how we use the rest. He trusted my judgment, and it saved us. I want to reciprocate that trust. There's a lot to sort out, but Oz really wants to help.
Thank you, Oscar.
Oh, they just came out to the actual place. Oh, that's subway tunnels. That's no bueno.
All of Atlas is down here. I've seen what you can do, Emerald. However this fight ends, we could really use someone like you.
Yes, they could. Like, she's very much still useful.
It's about time. While we dealt a decisive blow to Salem today...
Actually, that wasn't our payload, sir. I brought it back with us.
Then who could have...
Ozpin.
But you still have it. This may be useful. Penny still hasn't come to the vault, meaning Watts was either incompetent or he betrayed us. At this point...
Probably betrayed you.
Cinderfalls attacked command and escaped with him. And that's not all we've lost.
Sir?
Crow and Robin have also escaped.
That's his new hand. I just
Salem's
realized
creature was destroyed. But that doesn't mean we've stopped her. She will return, and she will throw everything she has at us until there is nothing left. And we are perilously close to that already. I need the Winter Maiden now. It's the only way Atlas can survive. Schnee, bring me Ark, Ren, and Xiaolong.
What for, sir?
I had Crow in my hands, and I didn't do what needed to be done.
Oh no.
I will not make that mistake again.
God dang it, Ironwood!
I know. I'm ashamed I didn't think of it earlier. Leveraging the lives of her friends, it's the only way to make Penny listen to reason.
Sir, I'm sorry, but we don't have them.
They died in the blast.
Operative Schnee let them go.
You... what?
Winter allowed them to go on board the creature to rescue their friend. And they never came back.
Because they died... Because explosion, fam! Oscar blew up the freaking thing.
They were our last chance. And now...
Now I have nothing!
Sir, we are detecting non-military ships on radar. Dozens of them.
Ships? Whose ships?
The Schnees.
They appear to be Schnee Dust Company freighters, sir.
They're heading straight for Mantle.
Yep, they're getting everyone out of there.
Weiss. I see. They're trying to save Mantle. This has always been about Mantle, hasn't it? I need to make a call.
Oh no, he's gonna call Watsky, ain't he? I was supposed to stay dead, but you went with this. Good job, Neo.
Did someone survive?
If you want her name, you know what you owe me. Oh boy. They're back! Finally get their reunion. It's been way too long. It's been half this frickin' season.
I missed you too.
Where's Nora?
About that, fam. Yeah, Nora's not doing the best right now.
Oscar, you...
No, she's okay. I can...
Hey, Ironwood.
The
Oh,
cargo
nope.
ships you sent just made it, but they're not alone.
May? What are you talking about?
My gods! Run! Everyone into the bay!
Nani? Did freaking Ironwood just bomb his own people?
This is an emergency CCT broadcast.
What's going on?
Those ships, they were going to save people. Why would...
I have always promised to defend this kingdom, its technology, its future, from those who would see it destroyed. Our enemy is crippled, but one individual still denies Atlas its salvation. The protector of Mantle. Penny, wherever you and your friends are, I need you all to listen. I know how much Mantle means to you, so I'm going to give you a choice. You can bring yourself to Atlas Academy and do your duty. Help me save as much of Atlas as I can, and Mantle will be left to fend for itself. Or, you can all watch as I destroy it.
Okay.
I have one bomb. That's all it will take.
I keep wanting to understand Ironwood, but I can't now. There is, like, he's going
to come to that.
He's gone off the rails now.
But one of us is willing to do it.
Come on, Ironwood.
If anyone tries anything other than what I've ordered, Mantle is gone.
You have 1 hour to respond.
Freaker. Like, what the heck? You were doing so good! Like, correction. Like, I understood why he was doing what he wanted and, like, the way he was doing it. Just like he was making stupid decisions. Now he's just gone crazy. Like, there's a point where you just kind of got to accept defeat and understand that you can't do this and it won't work. Ironwood, what the heck? Like, he thought he was, originally he was like, yeah, I'm doing what's right for my people, but now he's going to, it's like, it's one thing to leave people to fend for themselves, even though you probably know that they're probably going to die. And it's another to say, hey, if you don't give me this, I will destroy my own people. Come on, Ironwood. Golly. I hate that. So as always, please like, subscribe, comment down below what you let me jack to next. As always, it's Superninja20000, signing out.